Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Lara, and here on this channel I share fashion business tips that helps fashion entrepreneurs like you to build and grow a profitable and sustainable fashion business. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 6 ways of making money online with your sewing skills. I know sewing is a hobby for many of us, but what if you can turn that hobby into a business or side hustle and start making money? Is there anything wrong in that? Absolutely no. So in this video, you will learn 6 ways of making money with the sewing skills that you already have and the ones that you can start right away, either you are a beginner or an advanced sewer. You see many successful fashion designers out there. They have other sources of income. They are not only relying on sewing or creating designs for customers. So if you are in this business and you are not getting sales or getting enough sales, and you always wait for customers to bring clothes before you can make money, this is a signal that you need to diversify your source of income. I've been in this sewing business quite a while now. This is my 8th year. I started this sewing business in 2012, and I've realized that there are a lot of ways that I make more money, and I was able to work less, make more money, and others were taking a lot of my time and not really being profitable. So I have now narrowed down different strategies that I used to make money, and now I'm focusing on the one that is making me more money with less effort, which is making money online. And that is what I'll be sharing with you guys in this video. So without further ado, let's dive into the 6 ways of making money online with your sewing skill. So the number 1 on my list is online tutoring. This is one of the top ways of making money online with your sewing skills. There are a lot of people out there that would love to learn how to sew, but one thing or the other seems to stand their way. Maybe because of the distance, maybe because they can't afford the tuition fee for the fashion school, or maybe because of their busy schedules. So people like this would love to learn how to sew online. So if you know how to sew already, you can start teaching people how to sew online. Thousands of people out there are making a good income from their online courses. So, and the good thing about online courses is that you can sell it over and over and over and over again. You don't need to be creating online courses every time. So you create it once and you sell it over and over again. And you can sell your online courses to anyone, anywhere around the world. So you can sell your online courses on your website. If you have your website, you can start selling it there. And if you don't have your website yet, there are other platforms, other third-party platforms like Udemy and Teachable, Thinkific, Kajabi, and other platforms like that. Although they might be a little bit expensive, but if you can afford it, you can try all this platform. And the good thing about this platform is that you don't need to have audience before you start selling, like on Udemy, because they will market your online courses for you. And you can also teach, you can sell your online courses on platforms like WhatsApp or Telegram. So this is a good way of making money online without burning yourself out. So the next on my list is selling your products online. This is another great way of making money online. Whether you are a beginner or you are an experienced sewer, probably you can make 1 or 2 things really well. Then start making this and start selling it online. I sell handmade products online. I sell products on eBay, on Amazon, and on Etsy markets. So you can check any marketplace online in your country and then start creating all this little craft and start selling it online. So if you can make a simple A-shaped dress, a simple short, summer short, sun hat, bow tie, bangles, earrings, anything craft, scrunchies, you can sell all these things online. I do sell handmade products online. You might not be aware that I'm selling this, but I do sell them online. So, and I also sell fabrics online. I do sell African print fabrics online. Just something that you can make within one or 2 hours. At least within 1 or 2 hours, you can make maybe like 10 scrunchies. Make these scrunchies with the scrap of fabrics that you have. take a good picture of this and then you post it to marketplace. There are people out there that are searching for all these items every single second. We are in summer now and you can start creating summer wears. I have loads of tutorials on my second channel. You can check it out, so you will see different things that you can you can create and sell. I uploaded a video recently, how to create a vaccinator. So this vaccinator, you can make 2 of this vaccinator within 1 hour, and then you start selling it on Etsy. If you check on Etsy, this vaccinator, the price ranges between $20 to $50 and even more depending on the size. So those are the things, little things that you can do and sell online and start making money. Another product that you can sell online is digital products like ebook. If you are good at writing, and you can just create something, write something about sewing, about any area that interests you. If you know how to draft pattern, you can create a book about pattern drafting made easy or something like that, and then you sell to people. There are people out there that will buy it, they will buy your product. Another thing you can do is to create PDF sewing pattern. If you are good at pattern drafting, you can look into this. You can look into drafting the pattern on the software, which I'll be launching my own PDF pattern next month. I'm so excited to be sharing it with you guys. So next month, look out for it. Another way of making money online is YouTubing. Yes, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. You all know that. And billions of people are on YouTube every single second searching for how to do something, how to learn something, how to learn to cook, how to learn to sew, how to learn this, how to learn that. So this is another great way of making money online. And YouTube itself can open many doors. You can promote yourself on YouTube. You can promote your products on YouTube. Many people get to know Don Larry on YouTube. And aside that, by sharing your knowledge and by uploading your content on YouTube, you can monetize your channel. So, and you'll be getting paid through Google AdSense. But the truth is that YouTube can be time consuming and it takes a lot of effort. So if you are considering starting a YouTube channel, just bear that in mind, that it is time consuming, because making videos, editing videos, uploading videos takes a lot of time. So if you are considering doing YouTube, go ahead and start creating videos. And once you create your videos, don't just upload the videos without sharing it on other platforms. So create your videos, upload it on YouTube, be consistent. Consistency will make your channel to grow faster, and as you're getting more subscribers, more viewers, so will your earning potential. So on YouTube, you can earn between, let's say, $500 to $10,000 and even more every single month. Yes, I'm a YouTuber and I know what I'm saying. So that's another great way of making money. So the fourth one is blogging. Blogging is another way of making money online. So if you are good at writing, then start blogging. There are so many sewing bloggers out there and they are making money from it every single month. Although this is not a get rich quick, but it's something that if you start now, maybe in the next 3 months, you can start, depending on how consistent you are, you can start earning from it. So you can make money through AdSense on your blog, and also you can make money by reviewing products. So you review products and then you get paid for doing that. So if you're good at writing, then start blogging. I would love to read your blog post. Another great way of making money online, which is the number 5 on my list, is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best way of making money online and one of the most popular method of monetization. So being an affiliate basically means you are generating sales for someone else's product and you are earning a commission from it. You are not shipping anything to anyone. You are not selling any physical product or any digital product or anything of such. All you need to do is just to promote someone else's product, and you earn an income from it. So this is how it works. Let's say you apply for Amazon affiliate program now. I am an Amazon associate. I am an Amazon influencer. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to know in full details how this works. I think I can make a video on that. So all you need to do once you are qualified, because you need to have a certain number of people following you in any of your social media platform, like Pinterest, I think, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So you need to have certain number of people following you. So if you are qualified for that, then congratulations. All you need to do is just to have a link. You have a unique link that you will be putting on under your video if you are doing YouTube or on your social media platform. So you will look for a product that you think might interest your followers. Just go there, search for products like a sewing machine or anything depending on your followers or what you're doing. And then you take that unique link, you put it on your social media platform or on your description box on YouTube. And if anyone click on that and buy anything on Amazon, you will get paid. As simple as that. So you can earn between nothing less than $50 to $2,000 and many. So that is another great way of making money online. The last but not the least way that I'll be sharing with you guys is Facebook page. Do you know you can now monetize your Facebook page? In case you don't know, if you have a Facebook page already, you can monetize your Facebook page. You can Google it out and see if you are qualified for monetization. And if not, maybe you need to work a little bit more. You post more content out there so that you get more followers, because I think you need to have like maybe 10,000 followers or thereabout before you can monetize your Facebook page. So if you have a Facebook page already, work on that, build followers and monetize it. All you need to do is to post 3-minute long videos on Facebook, and as people watching the videos, then you earn money from that video. So these are the 6 ways of making money online. I know there are so many other ways, but these are the 6 that I'm very sure of. And out of these 6 ways, I make money just from 4 out of these 6 ways. So I make money by selling online courses. I make money by selling my products online. I make money on YouTube. And I make money from affiliate marketing. I am making an average of $4,000 every single month. And it is something that you can do as well. So let me know in the comment section, which of these are you currently doing and which of these are you planning to do, and I will be glad to read from you. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe, so that you can see more content like this. And don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Thank you for watching till the very end, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.